Can you clap, Penny? Yay!
Clap, clap, clap.
Yeah! Oh, that's great.
You're such a good clapper.
She's got it down.
Yay!
Yay, Penny! Yay! Yeah! Look how smart I am.
You're so good. Yes!
Yay! Are we so pleased with ourselves? Just a little bit, yes. We're clapping and pointing this week. This is Penny at 9 months, 1 week? Or just 9 months? Yes.
9 months, 1 week.
Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Yay.
How about high five? Can you high five too?
Yeah!
Yay!
Good job.